Ideas for fun and memorable camping adventures. Are you thinking about packing your things and going camping? Whether you are planning for a week-long stay in the wild or a simple one-night adventure, you must plan. The ideas presented in the following paragraphs are going to help you have a camping trip that is fun for all. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. Make sure your sleeping bag is right for the weather. You don't want to sweat all night because you brought a sleeping bag that is suitable for winter in the middle of the summer. The reverse is also true. Using a light, cool sleeping bag in the middle of winter will keep you very cold. You could even experience hypothermia. Take a class on how to do first aid. This is especially important if you are taking kids with you. In case of an accident, you will know what to do until medical help arrives. You should also do some research. Know if there are any poisonous snakes in the area, what type of wild animals call those woods their home, etc. Make sure you are aware of what hospitals are close to your campsite and how to get to them. While you don't want to think about anything bad happening on your trip, it is a possibility. Certain injuries will necessitate a visit to the doctor, so it is best to know where to go before something happens, and you are in panic mode. There are many items in terms of camping equipment that you should bring on your trip. You certainly don't want to forget something important like your sleeping bag or tent. Look over the items you plan to bring and create a checklist before leaving to ensure that all of your essential gear comes with you. Purchase a multi-use tool to store with your camping gear. This tool should include an axe, hammer and saw. The multi-use tool will come in handy when you are searching for firewood, clearing a trail and setting up your tent. When purchasing a multi-use tool, get one of the good quality one for years of enjoyment. Hopefully, watching these ideas has made you well prepared for planning your trip. You may have noticed that it takes the same amount of planning whether you are going for a weekend or a week. Get started now, and you will be very glad that you did. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.